Welcome back to my home cooks and chefs. I know you guys probably wondering what am I going to cook for this coming week, because get tired of the same old things to eat. So look no further, I got you guys. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you this simple, easy dish to make for you, for your family, or just something that you want to whip up different. Stay tuned. All right, so in order to do this garlic pasta, these are the ingredients you need. You need fish sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, green onions, garlic, lots of garlic, fresh parmesan, none of that cheap stuff, pasta, and butter. So let's make the sauce. We're gonna go into that next. All right, so let's make this sauce. First we want to do is add in the fish oil. That's sugar, so everything is 2 tablespoons. So 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and 2 tablespoons of oyster seasoning, oyster sauce. And you can get all these seasonings from the local store. I have all the ingredients in the recipe, so if you want to do it accurate. All right, so just mix it up. And that's all it is. All right, so let's move over to the pasta and mixing everything together. All right, so what you want to do is melt down your butter. That's about half a stick of butter, probably 3 or 4. Next, you want to add in your olive oil. My olive oil is infused, so it's about 2 tablespoons infused with garlic, so enhance it. And next, you want to add in about 8 cloves of garlic. Put it all in. Get a little color. Make sure you have your temperature, on medium. You don't want to burn your garlic. So just toss it around. All right. Put it too much through. Right. And let that cook for a little bit. And next we're going to add in some green onions. So just put half of your green onions in there. I think that's about half a cup. And leave a little garnish. Stir it in. And like I said, I have all the full ingredients in the description below. And also do your shopping list of what you need to buy. It smells good, guys. Man, can Elon Musk, come up with the smell-o-vision? Somebody come up with it, Bill Gates, somebody. Make sure you put all your garlic in. I've seen a little bit still there. All right, so we're gonna let this, cook, and then we're gonna be adding in our pasta and with our sauce we made up. Next. All right, so let's get over to putting in the pasta. So make sure you have 8 ounces of pasta. You can do angel hair, you can do spaghetti, you can do ramen, whatever you like. You can do it, so make sure it's still al dente when you throw it in. So let's put it all in. All right, and we're gonna toss that around. Toss it in with everything. My pasta got a little cold, so that's why I did that. So. Now next, we're gonna add in the sauce. Now this is a great dish, for your weekday. It goes a long way. So, I'm making this, for those that looking up for something quick and easy and on the run, for your week, for the kids, for your husband, family. It's a really good one. It's really easy to whip up. You gotta be slaving behind the kitchen with a lot of ingredients. It's really simple. So just toss it in with all your garlic. Toss it with everything. Make sure all your ingredients are incorporated. And that's it, guys. Pretty much done. And what you're gonna do is just top it off with some Parmesan cheese. So turn off your oven. Turn off your eye. And you're done. All right, so now that everything is tossed, what we're gonna do is toss in the Parmesan. Just put it all over. And like I said, all the ingredients will be in the description below. And that's it, guys. Now it's time to serve up and eat. Just toss it up so you can cheese can melt a little bit. That adds a little bit much more garlic, For those that know how Parmesan has a lot of garlicky flavors, and so since we put a lot of garlic, you know, so make sure you guys have some gum. Gals, don't be kissing nobody after this dish. All right, so let's get to plating it up. All right, so let's plate it up. Alrighty, it's done. You got some leftover chives. Just add them on top. And you guys, it's time to serve up. Now, I hope you guys have definitely enjoyed it. I mean, it's excellent, easy, simple. You know what I'm saying? And these are one of those viral dishes that you can feed a lot of people with, and doesn't take a lot of time. Hope you guys enjoyed this garlic pasta. Came out amazing. Let me know if you tried it before, and I will see you guys in the next one. Gotta grab you something to eat.